美国航空一架纽约要飞印度顶悬载199个人的飞行机，中途讲接到炸弹恐吓，赶紧个洗翻头。意大利的战机嘛成功保护，降落伫罗马机场。加在是经过相关单位详细检查，无发现炸弹，确定是假消息。
透过战机视角，会当看到甲另外一架战斗机同齐护航。这架美国航空的班机，这是美航一架原定为纽约飞去印度新德里的班机，伫飞过里海顶面的时阵，接到公司通知炸弹威胁。迄当时离到新德里也阁有大约3点钟的时间。
I think we got past Rome, and I think we were maybe like 2 or 3 hours away from India. And then the pilot came on, PA. He said, there's been some security issue, like we need to actually turn around and fly to Rome instead. And then we didn't hear anything for a couple hours. And then when we got closer to Rome, they mentioned that the Italian Air Force was going to fly some jets next to us.
这架编号 AA292A 美航波音787-9陆航客机，搭载199名乘客甲机组员。伫两架战斗机护航之下，当地时间23下到5点22分降落伫罗马费乌米奇诺机场。航班降落了后，随即接受执法单位的检查，并无发现炸弹，乘客也爱接受另外安全检查。确认无问题了后，有假伫罗马过暝。 立时继续飞去新德里。
Everything was surprisingly calm. Like in your mind, trying to play out scenarios like that, you think people were in a panic, but it wasn't the case at all. Everyone just sat. I don't really think, even after the 2-hour point, I don't think the majority of people knew what was going on or had an idea about the bomb threat.
也毋过，就算最近以外事故定团，全美国也发生几摆的空难。也毋过，好嘢人马斯克领导的政府效率部有关决定裁减联邦航空管理局 FAA 超过10%人手，就算防止技术研究甲滥用药物的项目也袂当免除，引起管理阶层甲基层员工忧虑，这期裁员真无道理。公司新闻陈伟仁编译。